Hi friend, this is the rate I old monk and today I am with the Ficom's P660. So this is the latest smartphone by the company introduced in India. It is China's company. Just recently entered, the smartphone is going on sale only on Amazon for 10,999. So let me go through the design first. So first thing first, it is a very light phone. It comes for 109 grams only. It feels very comfortable. It has a 5-inch HD display. As you can see, it is comfortable to hold. It has a matte finish with little sand dust touch, as I can show you. And it comes with a non-removable back panel. These are the speakers, so the output is from here. This is the 13 megapixel rear camera with LED flash. In the front we are getting a 5 megapixel camera. Other than this, it comes with a 615 Snapdragon processor with octa-core. It has 2 GB of RAM, 16 GB of internal storage, and it supports 4G LTE. It comes with dual SIM, as you can see. So it is this one is the first primary SIM and this is the secondary, and this is a hybrid one where you can insert a secondary SIM or the microcard SD slot. So this is it, and this is the power of the wake up key. In the top we are getting a 3.5mm jack. On the other side we are getting a volume rocker key, and in the bottom we are getting a micro USB charging slot. This is the mic. This is noise cancellation mic 1, and the second one you can see it the back side, and here is the Ficom logo which is written at the back. So this is all comes with Ficom P660. Let's go inside the box and check it also. So I will do it fast. So the boxing is pretty new. It comes with the slide finish, and let me take out the box for you guys. As we go this side, we should be getting a pin, but it is missing. I don't know how. It comes with a screen guard. Okay, this is the pin which should be at the back side, and this is the quick start guide, the warranty card. These are the things which are coming inside this box panel. And the other panel, it comes with the charger. This is the charger, and as you can see, this is the micro USB cable. It doesn't come with any earphones. So right now I will go through to the smartphone back and now take you to the benchmark and other settings. What it comes good. This phone runs very smooth. It runs on its own OS, which is, as you can see, expect OS. It is running on 4.4.4 KitKat. Hopefully it will get soon the new Lollipop update. As you can see, it comes with the 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage, and this is all. It comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 615, which is octa-core. It comes with the gesture support, few gestures. In the wave gesture, these are the 4 gesture to switch on the music, picture, status bar, and unlock. So these are the gesture, how to use them. The guide is there. Let me go through and show some pictures taken by me. So let me go through the gallery. The picture quality is okay. I will not say it is too good. In daylight it takes good, but it can take more better pictures, I will suggest. Other than this, let me show you the Antutu and the quadrant benchmark. The quadrant benchmark is 1741, whereas the Antutu score is 3381. You can see that. So it works really well. The processor is the same which is currently running on Xiaomi Mi 4i, and the performance of the smartphone can be little better. As you can see, all the octa cores are performing at the same time. The device comes with the 5-inch Full HD 1920 into 1080p, 2 GB of RAM, 16 GB of storage, and other than this is about the OS running, the battery. It comes with this. So now what about gaming? So let's play some game. The viewing angles of the smartphone is good. I will not say it is poor or bad, but it can be better if they have done something. But I tried to download Asphalt Airborne 8, but definitely found some error, and 4 or 5 times it didn't get downloaded full. So I ended up with Subway Surfer to show you how the gameplay is. As you can see, the phone doesn't heat up. The heating problem is not there. It is running very smoothly, no issues in running or lagging. Let me skip this one and show you something very good and crazy that comes with this smartphone. Okay, as you can see, here is a pedometer. Let me take out the brightness little more. So here's the pedometer. The icon is shown here. So it records that how much you have run today, how much step number has been done, and there is a barometer too. This is the barometer, which actually tells the pressure, altitude, height measure, and everything. So it gives you some step counts and few things. The UI doesn't come with too much bloatware. One negative thing, it doesn't support the OTG, so you are limited with the OT support. You are not getting this one. But other than this phone looks pretty good. The main key factor is the its price. It is coming for 10,999. The weight is 109 grams, and it is light. It is easy to use with one hand, those who don't like the phablet, and the screen reproduction is good. I definitely like it. The camera performance can be little better, but of course you have to compromise with something. And here the upper notch taken by Xiaomi Mi 4i. So this is all about Ficom P660, and this is at the rate I Old Monk signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to our channel.